Airplanes are one of the favorite toys of children. With our FlyMaker, kids can design their own airplanes. To get started, simply open the FlyMaker and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. There are 2 themes available. You can choose to customize the cabin or wings, or add decorations directly. Choose a model you like. If you want to design the cabin, click on Cabin. Switch between the cabin and the wings by clicking on these 2 buttons. Here you can select the existing models. Use these buttons to design. Drag, add or delete points for your own design. When you're done, click Tick to go to the Decoration Design interface. Here you'll find a variety of decoration elements. You can also add text to personalize your design. Select the elements you want and drag them onto the model. If you want to change the color of an element, simply select a color you like and click on it. With these buttons you can customize the decoration elements. Use Delete to remove the element you don't want. You can rotate the model to check the overall effect. Zoom in or out to check details. Click Initial button to straighten the model. Click Tick to see the finished model. At the bottom you'll find 5 action buttons. When you're done, click the Print button to print the model. Get ready to design your own amazing airplane.